Hello everyone. Today you will try to guess the road signs. In this video, you will try to guess 52 road signs. You will have 3 possible answers and one of them is right. And if you like the content we make and want to see more videos, like and subscribe, and let's go guess. What is this road sign? Right, this is railway crossing with a bar alert. Also, at the end of the video, a super challenge awaits you. Can you guess all the signs? And most importantly, you'll get into the top commentators and get a cool bonus. Maybe you know what this sign is. Right? This is pedestrians prohibited. Right, this is give way. Right, this is priority road. Right, this is children crossing. Right, this is pedestrian crossing. Right, this is no motor vehicles. Right, this is maximum speed 40 kilometers per hour. Right, this is no overtaking. Right, this is slippery when wet. Right, this is straight ahead only. Right, this is parking area. Right, this is steep descent. Right, this is turn right. Right, this is turn left. Right, this is proceed straight. Right, this is roundabout ahead. Right, this is no through road. Right, this is bicycle lane. Right, this is tunnel ahead. Right, this is no trucks. Right, this is no motorcycles. Right, this is stopping prohibited. Right, this is parking prohibited. Right, this is animal crossing. Right, this is railroad crossing without barrier. Right, this is vehicles over 5 tons prohibited. Right, this is residential zone. Right, this is start of motorway. Right, this is end of motorway. Right, this is two-way traffic. Right, this is railway crossing. Right, this is traffic signals ahead. Right, this is road work. Right, this is road narrows from the right. Right, this is road narrows from the left. Right, this is road narrows on both sides. Right, this is maximum height allowed. Right, this is no right turn. Right, this is end of all restrictions. Right, this is dangerous curve ahead. Right, this is farm animals on road. Right, this is falling rocks. Right, this is airport ahead. Right, this is tunnel. Right, this is slippery surface. Right, this is steep incline. Right, this is danger of falling ice. Right, this is opening bridge ahead. Right, this is expect traffic jam ahead. Right, this is parking prohibited on odd-numbered days. Right, this is priority over oncoming traffic ends. Right, this is frost danger.